SMCI Stock Thursday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I'll have to mention with Super Microcomputer is at least Tuesday actually started to pick up. Not enough, but it started at least. Before I get deeper, it's from a bullish character, the trend and the price. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And with this thing, I'm still looking forward to taking it up. Yeah, like beforehand, I literally called this thing out. Boom, that's how it looked like. It was made like 29th of October. This is 29th of October. And now, that doesn't mean that I'm going to buy Thursday. Like, there's a big difference there. I want to see a double break and then I'll move forward. So, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There's a free newsletter. And with SMCI, I'm going to keep you updated. I've had all these other receipts as well. So stay tuned. Goodbye.